let's say we hire a junior recruiter day one, zero experience. They'll look at a job and they go, I don't know what I'm looking at. In the old days, what does someone do? They'll research, they'll ask their lead, and then they'll finally, after an hour, have the confidence to search and make a call. Then they call the candidate and they stumble, they say the wrong things, it's not related to really what the job is about. Fast forward to 24, 25. Junior recruiter uses AI, and it develops this framework of understanding that no one has had before. Or in other words, what is a .NET developer? What is this client? What is the industry? How do I package that together? And when they use AI to develop that understanding, this day one recruiter can now have the intelligence of a 90, 120-day recruiter. They're geared to have these super intelligent conversations with the candidate. It makes a very good impression on that candidate, Procom, and hopefully we can deliver better candidates to our clients. It's an enhancer of human interaction. That's how I see it, not a replacement. We have applicants that apply to our jobs every day. Among the office, we probably have 100 applicants a day. And in the old days, the recruiter would review them in real time. It'll probably take them half an hour to review 15 applications. Out of those 15, we'll call maybe 5 who are a good fit. Okay, that's a manual process. Now we have prompts and the seasoned recruiters will do this. They'll prompt our database to say, out of the 30 applicants I have, tell me the 5 best, who to call and why. So it's not just looking at their technical skill, that's a very objective analysis, but why should I call them? Do they have placement history with us? Have they worked for a client? Are they working for us now? And that process, that prompt and the results that it produces, it's probably a 2-minute end-to-end process. You've got 5 candidates to call, a very quick analysis. The recruiter will now look at that and say, these are the 3 that I'm gonna call out of the 30. And that's a 2-minute process versus a 30, 45-minute process. I've developed a very extensive prompt that the entire company is using. And it's logic that as a seasoned recruiter, these are the parameters that I would review these applicants, like, are there any risk factors in this candidate? Have they quit on us early? Are they job hopping often? Is this a full-time role? Is this a full-time background? What makes the prompts so powerful is they're developed from the ground up, from the users that are using them. They're not off the shelf. We don't ask Bullhorn or Monster and say, hey, give us your 5 best prompts. And we run it and it maybe does 30% of what we need, but we're missing the 70%. So these end-to-end prompts that we're developing are from the recruiters who are using it and can identify the core problems or challenges that they're trying to alleviate.